Have you ever wanted to duplicate a project for another year of data collection in ArcGIS Field Maps? However, you didn't want the same data from the original? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you how to make a template in ArcGIS Field Maps. This will not only duplicate the map, but also the data, giving you the ability to copy the outline of the year prior, starting data collection on a fresh slate for the new year. Let's get started. To start, I have a map that I used for data collection in 2025. This map has one layer called tree plots. This layer also has a form configured with 4 required fields, which uses the Forms section in ArcGIS Field Maps. Once you have your map set up and ready to be made into a template, go to your content page in ArcGIS Online. Then select the waffle menu in the top right corner and select Field Maps Designer. Then select the map you want to make a template out of and navigate to the overview page. Now select Create Map Template. When creating the map template, Field Maps will let you know if the layer cannot be converted with the template. If the layer mentions that it cannot be converted, make sure it is a hosted feature layer and be sure that you are the owner of both the map and the associated layer. Now move through the rest of the wizard and name the template accordingly. Once the template is created, go to the Field Maps Designer and create a new map from the template you just created. Now you have a new map and layer with the exact same outline of your previous data collection project. I hope this video helps with your new year of data collection. And if you would like to learn more about templates in ArcGIS Field Maps, refer to the documentation in the description.